For classic style and durability, it doesn't get much better than hardwood flooring, or does it? I'm Rob from Nebraska Furniture Mart. For the last 2 years in a row, the top trend in flooring has been wood look flooring. With advancements in vinyl, laminate, or ceramic tile, it's never been easier to get the look of wood without the cost or the maintenance. While some homeowners prefer the real thing, hardwood can be expensive, hard to maintain, and difficult to install without professional contractors. For budget-conscious homeowners or the DIY crowd, vinyl, laminate, or porcelain tile make an excellent alternative. Boasting durability and an incredible selection of colors, finishes, and styles, you'll get the wood look for less. And when you let NFM's professionals handle it, you'll get a 2-year warranty on installation. Visit us in-store in Omaha, Kansas City, Des Moines, and the Colony, Texas, and talk to one of our flooring experts today. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.